previous class we have studied about the selection and sowing of the seeds. So after sowing the seeds, we have to supply manures. We have to add manures to the soil so that plants can grow healthy. That means to grow healthy plants, we need to provide nutrients to the soil. That we will do by adding manure and fertilizers to the soil, because plants get nutrients through the soil. So we will add a manure and fertilizers to provide nutrients to the plants. So plants need nutrients for the growth. So that nutrients are provided by manure and fertilizers. So basically manure and fertilizers are the substance which are added to the soil to provide nutrients for a healthy growth of the plants, because like us, plants also need nutrients for their better growth and for their healthy growth. So for that we have to add nutrients by adding manure and fertilizer. So we can say that manure and fertilizers are the substance used to provide nutrients for a healthy growth of soil. So sometimes due to the continuous crop production in the same field, the fertility of the soil loses. That means the nutrients of the soils are lost. So that time the plants are not getting proper nutrients for their healthy growth or for their better growth. So we have to add manure and fertilizers to the soil. So due to the continuous crop production, there is the amount of nutrients will be deficient in the soil. So the process of replenishing soil with nutrients, that is known as manuring. When we are adding manure, we are replenishing the soil with nutrients, and that process is called manuring. So the process of replenishing the soil with nutrients is called manuring. So we are using two things, that is manure and fertilizer. So what is manure and what is fertilizer? So first of all, manure is a natural substance which is obtained by the decomposition of plants or animals matter, but fertilizers are chemical compound which is derived from chemical substances in the factories. So manures are decomposed. Manures we are getting after decomposing the plants and animal waste, but fertilizers we are getting by chemical in the factories. For example, potash, nitrogen, all these things are the fertilizers. Artificial fertilizers are there, but manures are the natural substance like cow dung, bone meal. These are known as manure, and fertilizers are man-made chemical substance, that is NPK, nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus. All these things are used as fertilizers. So manure and fertilizer, if you will do differentiate between them, you can get few points. That is, so you can see that manure is a natural substance, fertilizers are chemical compounds. Manures are produced from animal and plant waste, for example cow dung, bone meal, all these things are manure, but fertilizers are prepared in factories using chemicals like nitrogen, phosphorus, potash. These all are the fertilizers. Then manure provides humus to the soil. Fertilizer doesn't provide humus to the soil. Manure provides humus. Manure is providing relatively less nutrient than fertilizers, because fertilizers are very rich in nutrients and manures are providing relatively less nutrients than the fertilizers. But manure provides humus to the soil and fertilizer doesn't provide humus. So these are like that you can consider that manure and fertilizer. Manure is taking time to give nutrient to the soil. Fertilizers can give nutrients to the soil very fast, but if you are using fertilizers, then you have to use the fertilizers in an adequate amount. If the amount is more of fertilizer, the amount of fertilizer is more, if we are adding excess fertilizers, then the plants will not grow. Rather than growing, the plants will die, and the soil, the microorganisms present in the soil, they also will die, so that the plant will not be able to grow in that soil, and it will cause water pollution also and soil pollution also. So when we are using fertilizers, we have to be quite careful. We have to use fertilizers in an adequate amount, because excessive use of fertilizers can spoil the crops, can damage the soil, can kill the microorganisms present in the soil which are helpful for the plants, and it can also cause soil pollution and water pollution. So another better method than using manure and fertilizer, we can use manure, but it is a slow process. Manure is a slow process of providing nutrients. Another better method is there, that is crop rotation. So crop rotation means we can rotate the crop one after another. We can grow crop in the same field. That is called crop rotation. According to the season and according to the need of the nutrients, we can grow crops one after another. That is called crop rotation. For example, after growing wheat, the low nitrogen nutrients can be replenished. When we grow wheat, the most of the nitrogen nutrients are absorbed from the soil. So after growing wheat, there is a low nitrogen nutrients that in the soil that can be replenished by growing peas and grams, which replenish the soil in nitrogen nutrients. So after growing the wheat in the same field, we can grow peas and grams. So like that is called crop rotation. That is also a better method of replenishing the nutrients. One after another crops. So that method is called crop rotation. Along with this, we can use manure, because manure has many advantages. That is, it is natural, we are getting from animal and plant waste. Then it provides humus. It is helping, it is increasing the water retaining capacity of the soil. It is increasing the water retaining capacity of the soil. It is making the soil porous. It is improving the texture of the soil. It is increasing the growth of the microbes. So advantages of manures are also there. Along with all these things, we can use manure also, because manure has few advantages. These are, so you can see that advantages are: enhances the water retaining capacity of the soil, makes the soil porous, improves the texture of the soil, and increases the growth of the microbes. So along with all these things, we can add manure to the soil so that the plants will get nutrients for their better growth and healthy growth. After adding manure or after manuring, we will provide water to the plants. That is irrigation, our next agricultural practice. So before that, you read your book so that you will be more clear.